Hey y'all, it's Nya B, and in today's video we're gonna get into a whole bunch of deep cleaning for the new year, honey. So what I'm gonna be using in this video is some all-purpose cleaner I got from Trader Joe's, and it has no harmful chemicals in it, and it's made from natural ingredients. And one thing I like about this spray in particular, or using any all-natural spray, is that it is good for the home. Usually when you use things like Clorox or bleach, it has a whole bunch of chemicals that are harmful for you. And also, I have pets, and I just want to make sure whatever I'm spraying in the air is not harming me or them. So this is usually my go-to product. Unless like somebody's sick, I'll clean with like bleach, because I don't want germs to spread. But 9 times out of 10, I'm always going to be using this all-purpose spray. One thing you'll notice as I clean, I use reusable rags that I just wash and then put in the dryer after I'm done with them. I used to just clean with paper towels, and I realized how expensive that was getting, and also just how wasteful it was. So usually I just have like 5 rags in my closet just for cleaning, and I'll use them to just wipe down my surfaces and stuff, and then I'll switch them out whenever I'm cleaning like something like the kitchen, and then I'll use different ones for like the bathroom. I'll only use paper towel when I'm cleaning like the toilet or maybe like the sink in my bathroom, just because I don't know, like I just feel like those are more unhygienic places. But yeah, I love to just use rags and then just wash them and just reuse them. I feel like not only is it better for the earth, but it's better for my pockets. One thing I love about the new year is just being able to start off fresh. It's like whatever we left behind needs to stay behind, and I can finally move on to like a new season and a new chapter. And that's why I think it's so important at the start of the year to really just get a grasp of cleaning. Not just any cleaning, I mean really deep cleaning, so we could just start fresh. I have a really deep feeling that 2025 is just going to be something so beautiful and joyful, and all the goals that I had put in place for myself right near the end of 2024 for 2025 is going to come true. But I have to keep going, keep steady, and really put my dreams and my goals first. And it's really hard for me to just start anything in a dirty home. Like, it's very hard for me to be creative. It's hard for me to work on my goals, work on things that's important to me that I prioritize in a dirty home. It makes me feel unorganized. So one thing I love to do, definitely for the new year, is to get down and get dirty and clean. Definitely some of the areas that I neglect or that I kind of forget about, as the year goes by. And I really just like to give attention and energy into those necessary spots. And girl, when I tell you, after I just finish a room or just a section of my apartment, I just get all giddy. Like, I just get so happy and excited, because seeing a place come together that was so unorganized and just start to look so beautiful and clean and just like well put together just really makes me feel good. since it's a brand new year, you already know I came with the goals, and I really think it's important, guys, to set goals, set standards for yourself, set achievements for yourself, and work on them one at a time, and work on them slowly every single day. Like, I feel like if you want to become a better person, if you want to be better than the you were yesterday, you have to set goals for yourselves, and they can be small. You can start small and then get big, and make sure to just stay on one goal specifically before you jump to the next one, because I know it can be kind of exciting to go to the next goal, but just stay on the goal you're in, and once you complete that, go to the next thing. And that's kind of what I'm trying to work on this year, is not only just setting goals, because I do that, but setting goals, writing them out, and then working towards that goal every single day, even if it's for like 10-20 minutes. If I'm having a busy day and I can't put too much energy into that goal, 10-20 minutes. Like, 2025, I am not coming to play. I am done with the excuses. I'm done with, oh well, I had this going on. I feel like priority is what's important, and this year I really want to prioritize my goals. I want to make more content. I want to continue learning how to love myself and continuing to grow in my authenticity, just, becoming me and not really feeling like I need to change for a group of people. What else? I want to continue to sew my own clothes. That's something I started towards the end of 2024. Continuing to add things to my cookbook so I could pass that on to my family, the younger generation, or even my kids one day. And also just continuing to find God, continuing to talk to Him, continuing to pray, building my spirituality, y'all. That's just a couple of the goals that I have this year. And when I tell you, I am not coming to play. These things are just important to me, and I've realized if I prioritize these goals and I'm working towards them a little bit every day, I will be unstoppable, and so can you as well. What is important to you? What matters to you? What do you want to strive for? What have you given up on? What have you made excuses about? Let's continue to be better. Let's continue to be the best versions of ourselves so we can be happy, so we can live the life we were always meant to be. Let's not run away from our best self. 2025 is our year, and we have to start small so we can gain the big. I feel like just trusting in God's direction for me and listening to the Holy Spirit inside me will definitely guide me onto just striving for my goals and having the perseverance to continue my goals without giving up. And honestly, for anybody who's watching, I hope all the goals and positive things that you plan for yourself this 2025, I hope they come true, and I hope you find the strength to get your goals straight forward. I hope you find the strength to become the best version of yourself, and I hope you find the strength to just love others, love yourself, and to love God, y'all. 2025 is going to be a beautiful year. And there we go, guys. We finally cleaned my apartment. It took 2 hours. Granted, my apartment was pretty clean already, like my bathroom and my makeup room, but for the most part, there was some areas that I really needed to get down and dirty. But y'all, on a spiritual level, I just feel so good now that my home is clean, y'all. Oh my gosh, I just feel so great, and I'm so happy on how it came out. Hey guys, thank you for getting to the end of this video. I hope this video was able to give you guys some motivation to bring in the new year. 2025 is going to be full of blessings and exciting things. So why not start by just giving yourself a clean slate, a clean home, and giving yourself something great to walk into this upcoming new year. So I hope this video helped, and I will see y'all all next one. Bye y'all.